Welcome back, you guys. Today on our second video, we are going to make some euphemised cream puffs. So I have everything ready to go, and what I have here is some choux pastry dyed grey in a circular nozzle in a piping bag. And let's just get started, shall we? Using my circle cutter as a template, you can either pipe in directly into it or just sort of eyeball it using the circle as a guide. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, on to our next step. We have our crackling ready to go. Essentially, you want to put these on top of the choux pastry. And now we're all done. These choux pastries are ready to go in the oven for about 35 minutes. And I'll see you guys soon. Okay, you guys, so these cream puffs have been baked, let rest, and I have filled them up with chocolate cream. So basically it's just cream, sugar, whip it up in a high speed and fold it in with cocoa powder, and it's so absolutely beautiful, it's bittersweet, and it's amazing. And now onto the decoration parts. So I'll move these aside. And these were little decorations that I made using fondant during the time that I was baking these guys. And I'll show you guys how to do all of these. So what we have here, the little ears, a little cheese. I thought that would be a nice touch for the cream puff. The little tails, and the little nose that mice have. Okay, to do the cheese, you'll need to have a little bit of yellow fondant, roll it into a ball, and flatten it with your thumb, knife, and this little tool right here. So what I'll do, I'll cut it in half. And I'll cut it to the other half. And you can see how it's kind of lost its shape. That's fine, we'll put these aside. And you sort of want to press it back up again. And with this tool right here, make indents onto the outside. Just sort of with your thumb, gently put it back to the size it was. And there you have it. Alright, next step, onto the ears. So basically you want to roll out circles of pink fondant, and you want to use this balling tool, any size that you like. So press it down to make a little indent. And there you have it, simple as that. Ideally you want to roll out two perfect size or similar sizes to make it look more even. Okay, now onto the nose. So basically you want to pinch out a little bit of pink fondant, just a little bit, roll in within your palm and one finger, like into a ball, and basically you want to roll back and forward, like a little tic-tac. Okay, onto the tail. I think this is one of the hardest part out of the 4 decorations that we have to do. Pink ball fondant, make a teardrop out of it. Okay, and now you want to elongate it. You want to keep on doing it until you get that nice pointy tail. Now I will flip this using my palm as a sort of a guide. You want the pointy end to be quite sharp. It looks more realistic. We're almost there. There you have it. And you sort of want to make it into a shape or any shape that you like. Yeah, it's all up to you. Okay, you guys, now onto the decorations. this part is my absolute favorite. So what I'll do, for all my cream puffs, I'll start with the eyes. That's sort of my gauge of how I'm going to decorate the rest. Onto the nose. And lastly, its tail. So its tail, I think I'll put it on top of the chocolate on the side. And a block of cheese. What do you guys think? On that side? I think that looks good. Oh my god, this is so cute. And I'll do the same thing for the other five. And there we have it, you guys. This is my version of Year of the Rat cream puff or choux pastry. Tell me what you guys want to see next, and just wanted to say thank you so much for staying in tune and watching the whole video. You guys have been amazing, and I still don't know what I want with this channel, not gonna lie. So comment down below of what you want to see improved, any techniques, any tips. I need it. Thank you so much, but for now, stay safe, stay kind, and I'll see you soon.